Rosemary kitchen. Bring out the best in the kitchen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me again. If today is your first time here, you are welcome to this file. Today I'm showing you a simple way to make green pepper sauce. So let's get into it. Stay tuned. My lovely viewers, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, and please don't forget to share this with your friends and comment below to let me know which country you are watching me from. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.